The viola is the middle voice in the string family. It's the alto, plays the alto voice in a string quartet. The violin goes down to this string here. This is the G, that's the lowest note on the violin, and the viola can go down 5 notes lower down to the C. The viola is quite a bit bigger than a violin. Violin is usually about 12.5, 13 inches long, and this viola is 16 inches long, but you still hold it up on your shoulder while you're playing, like this. When you put your fingers on the fingerboard, it changes the pitch of the note that you're playing. As I put them closer and closer to me, the pitch goes up. You make a sound on the viola by drawing the bow across the strings like this. You can make very loud sounds, very quiet sounds, like that. It plays quite low, and you can play very high. It can make very short sounds, or very smooth and connected sounds.